Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Guys. So today, uh, I'll be analyzing Audusd and Eurusd. As you can see, guys, I've put it in my two tabs, Audusd and Eurusd. So first thing first, guys, I would like to start on my weekly time frame on these ones. Just to see what's going on. What's happening, what's the level. Yeah. So I can see that on my weekly time frame, we've been consolidating for a while now. We've been consolidating around these zones here for the longest time. And if I can place this one over here, I can see that this was our previous high. Uh, and this is still our low. Okay, right. Yeah. So let's see. And if I go to my daily time frame, I can see that we closed below this previous structure point here, which might signal that the market, like last week, we closed below this previous structure point, which might be a signal that the market might be reversing from this particular point here. So yeah, guys. So I like to switch on line chart now. Yeah, I like to switch to my line chart and just identify those areas where I think the market respects the most, like these ones. And probably like this one too here. I like to go to my 4-hour time frame. Yeah, and adjust my zones nicely. Just adjust my zones nicely. Yeah, okay. Adjust my zones nicely. I think I'm gonna put it like this. Yeah, and then I like to identify this new structure point here. Yes, and then I like to identify my trend here, of which I think, yeah, I think this one makes more sense. Makes more sense than the other one. Okay, then I'll place it like this over here, and then just try to adjust it. Okay, I still have to go to my 1-hour time frame. And just highlight my zones from this point. Just highlight my zones. I like to surround this area here because the market reversed from this point here. So it can be reversing there for no reason. So there might be a good reason why. And just highlight this zone here. Okay. All right. I think we're fine for now. Okay. Let me just highlight this one over here. Yeah. Check. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right. So like this high. So yeah, guys, as you can see that you've been bullish trend for the longest time now, and we just created this high, and after creating this high, we just went back to this consolidating area here. The market has been consolidating around these zones here. It doesn't want to break high to continue with the buys, and it also looks like it doesn't want to break below to sell. So it has been consolidating around this zone here. So and I can see that from this movement here, we have like a potential downtrend here. What do I mean by potential downtrend? As you can see, guys, that we created a high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, and potential creating a lower high around these areas. So yeah, guys. So I'll clone this, paste it over here. Yeah, I like to go to my candlesticks. Yeah, see. Okay. So guys, as you can see here, this area is mostly sensitive around, the market is mostly sensitive around this zone here. As you can see, when you're above, we are buying, but when you're below, we are selling, 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 selling. But when you're above, we're buying, buying, and below selling, above buying, 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 and below we are selling. So what I'm seeing here now, because it's important, guys, to trade what you see, not what you think the market will do, right? So what I'm seeing here is that the market will either come here, will either come here just to retest so that you can have more power to break below this area here, right? So the market might come here, retest, so that it can have more power to break below this structure point here, to continue with the sales. Or the market can either break above this area and break above this area, then that's where it will have like more power to push above here, like to continue with the buys, to push above here and break this high here, continue with the buys. Yeah. So guys, and it's important to trade with the trend, right? So as I can see that I'm still within my newly formed bearish trend right here. So what I'll do is just to wait and see what the market will do when it arrives around this price action here. No, what I'll do is to observe the price action and see what the market will do around these areas here. Because I can see that the market is sensitive around this zone. So it might also reject and continue with the sales, or break and break around about this zone to continue with the price. Yeah, guys. So what I'll do is just to set my alarm around this area. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that's it for Audusd, guys. Let's go to Eurusd. Eurusd, as you can see, I'm in my time frame too. So let me go to my weekly and see what's happening here. So here, I don't think okay, we had this structure point here and also this structure point here. Yeah, yeah, and also my lowest point has to be this one right here. Daily time frame, adjust my zones nicely. So yeah, so on EURUSD, this is what we're kind of understanding. So as you can see, guys, that EURUSD have been bullish, right? We've been bullish, creating those high highs, high lows, high highs, and potentially might be creating a high low. But I can see here is that the market uh, closed below the structure point here. As you can see, if it closes above, it buys. Now it closed below the structure point here. What I can see here is that when it closed below the structure point, it sells. So what can we expect from the market? So let me go to my line chart and draw the areas where I think the market is mostly sensitive to. And this is the first one. And then let's go to my 4 hour time frame. Okay. 4 hour time frame. Still good. Let me just highlight this one too. And also this one here. Yeah. As you can see that we've been bullish. Have been bullish. So now so yeah, as you can see, guys, we've been on a bullish trend here, bullish trend, and now we just slightly tend to create a bearish trend right now. So um let me go to my one time frame. I wanna draw my zones nicely just to highlight the most important zones. Okay, adjust this one to somewhere around here. Okay. Yes. Mhm. So as you can see, guys, the market is mostly sensitive around this zone, and also sensitive around this zone. And here we are at the most sensitive zone too, around here, around this zone here. As you can see that whenever we are below this point, we are selling, but whenever we're above, we are buying. So now we are above. So what you can see is that we are buying already. So yeah, and I would also like to highlight this zone here. The zone here, and let me place my okay right like this. Yeah, and this zone too is kind of sensitive. Yeah, yeah. So guys, what I can see already here is that we've been bullish and now we've slightly created a better trend, right? So I like to start from this zone. Yeah, we've slightly created a better trend here. So what to look for in a better trend is for selling opportunities. Nothing more, nothing less. Although we can have those buying opportunities, but selling opportunities are the most to happen. Are most likely to happen, yeah. So as you can see, guys, that uh, we are from the support, right? Just from support going to the recent uh, resistance, because as you can see here, this was the support broke, retested resistance, right? And you know that guys, those are the basic forex things that whenever whenever we are rejecting the area, it's either a support or a resistance. And this one has been supported around this zone, supported, and now changed to resistance. So what I see here is that the market is going towards the resistance. So the market can either uh, it can either retest and reject the resistance, to break this support, or it can go above this resistance and above this resistance to continue with the buys to the upside. So what I can do here is just to remain patient and observe price action around this zone here, just to check what will the market, how will the market react around this resistance, newly formed resistance. Yeah. So patience is important, guys. So yeah, that is what I would do. It's just to remain patient and watch price action around these zones. And if ever we break above here, I'll wait and see if it wasn't just a stop loss hunt for early sellers. Yeah. And if we break here and break here, I'll know that okay, it wasn't a stop loss hunt for early early sellers. So it will be a bullish move. Then I'll look for entries around this zone. When it breaks retest around this zone, then I'll look for buying opportunities to continue in the market. But if it just breaks here and just consolidate, then go down, then I'll know it just a stop loss hand for those early sellers who just see the resistance and just sell, who don't wait for confirmation. So yeah. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Yeah, hope to catch you on another video. Yeah, so this is Audusd. This is Audusd. This is my prediction Audusd. And this is Eurusd. Yes, guys. Hope to see you on another video. Yes, sir.